Today I'm going to show you how to use GeoGebra. You can see here the program's already started. We have some boxes at the top. Point, line, perpendicular line, polygon, circle, ellipse, angles, reflect, text, slider, and move graphics. We're not going to use all these today. We're just going to use some of the basic functions. We have little red triangles, so you can see that each one of those boxes gives you more options than you can see. First thing we need to do is make some points. So click on point. So let's make 2 points A and B. You can see that they create points and label them in alphabetical order. You can go down, make sure you click on your arrow. Let's go down to input. You can enter points by typing them in. So 3, -2, click enter, and now we have a point in the fourth quadrant. C. Let's move the graphics around. So you can do that by move graphics view. Alright, great. Go back over to the arrow. We have 3 points now. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. Next thing we want to do is let's create a line. First, let's look at our line functions. You can make a line segment. You can make a segment with a length, array, and a few various other advanced functions that we don't need right now. Let's go ahead and make a line. First, click on line. It says select 2 points. So let's go ahead and select 2 points. So B and C. And then we have an infinite line. Next thing we want to do is make a perpendicular line. So we have many choices: perpendicular, parallel, perpendicular bisector, angle bisector. We click on perpendicular line and it tells us to select a point and a perpendicular line. So we need a point. Let's choose point A, and it's going to create a 90-degree angle with line BC. So you can see when my arrow touches that line, it's highlighted, and there's 90-degree angle. Look over here in our list, and it gives us the equations of our lines in standard form, so that's quite helpful. Let's go ahead and make a polygon. Let's make a triangle. So I click on my polygon tool. It says select all vertices, then click the first vertex again. So let's go ahead and start. Let's make a triangle: A, B, C, and then back to A again. And that'll tell us that it's done. And there's our triangle. Let's go ahead and make a regular polygon. So we go up and we click our regular polygon tool. Now it says we need 2 points and enter the number of vertices. So let's go over here and create two more points. So here we go. There's 2 points. Now go back and highlight your regular polygon tool. Highlight point 1, point 2, and now how many vertices do we want? Well, let's make a pentagon. So we're going to enter 5. And there we go. Next, let's go ahead and make a circle. Go to your circle tool. We have many options. A circle with a center and a radius. Let's do that one. So we need a point, center point, and then we'll just enter the radius what we want. So first we need a point. So let's plot another point. And then I'll just put it right here. Go back, make sure you highlight circle with center and radius. Go ahead and click on that. We're going to choose point I, and then it asks. So we'll just do a radius of 0.5. Okay, and there we go. There's our circle with radius 0.5, diameter of 1. To finish up this demonstration, we can show you how you can use this in algebra. Let's go ahead and use the slope function and select a line. So let's select our line here. And you can see that it gives us a number, m equals 0.41. That means our slope or gradient of our line is 0.41, and that's positive. And that makes sense because our line is increasing as we look from left to right. You can see how we have our slope triangle that's calculated. So it shows you exactly a visual understanding of what slope is. And this can really help with your algebra homework once you get familiar with these GeoGebra functions. So once you get good with GeoGebra, then it can be a useful tool. You can do so much on this program. You can do calculus, statistics, algebra 1, algebra 2, geometry, calculus, and more. Uh, People make so many different videos or animations with GeoGebra, so you can produce some pretty nice artwork that's all mathematics. Or you could just get some help doing your homework. So I hope this tutorial today was helpful for you, and next time you open GeoGebra, you'll know how to get started a lot faster. Okay, thanks. Bye.